Good morning, everyone. Today we start with profit and loss. What is cost price? The price at which we buy an article is called the cost price. The price at which we sell an article is called a selling price. When cost price is less than the selling price, then it is profit. Profit or gain. Here profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. When cost price is greater than selling price, then it is loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is profit percent? Profit percent is profit upon cost price multiplied to 100. Loss percent is loss upon cost price multiplied to 100. What is the formula for selling price when cost price is given and gain percent is given? Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiplied to cost price. In case of loss, selling price is 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied to cost price. Formula for cost price when selling price is given. See, it is a cross multiplication of this formula only. 100 will go here, 100 plus gain percent will come here. So cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent multiplied to selling price. Cost price in case of loss is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied to selling price. What you have to remember? You have to remember gain is always positive, loss negative. Positive gain percent, negative loss percent. And whenever we calculate loss percent or gain percent, it is calculated on cost price. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied to 100. Loss percent equal to loss upon cost price multiplied to 100. Let us start with the questions related to profit and loss. Sudhir bought an Elvira. Sudhir bought an Elvira for rupees 13,600 and spent rupees 400 on transportation. He sold it for rupees 16,800. Find his gain percent. Another thing to note is overhead expenses like money spent on transportation is calculated on the cost price only. Okay, let us solve this. Sudhir bought an Elvira. Sudhir bought an Elvira for rupees 13,600. He spent rupees 400 on transportation. That means the cost price is equal to 13,600 plus 400, which is rupees 14,000. Selling price is 16,800. Selling price equal to rupees 16,800. You have to find his gain percent. Selling price is greater than cost price. That means it is gain. Gain is equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to 16,800 minus 14,000, which is equal to rupees 2,800. Gain percent is equal to gain percent is equal to gain upon cost price multiplied to 100. So what is the gain? 2,800. You should write the formula, but I don't have much space. So I'm just writing it directly. 14,000 multiplied to 100. Let us solve this. One more zero goes here. 14 two times is 28 and one zero is there. So it is 20% profit is there. Coming to the next question. Selling price of 16 spoons. I'm reading out the question. Listen carefully. Selling price of 16 spoons is equal to cost price of 15 spoons. Find the loss percent. So what is given? We are given selling price of 16 spoons is equal to cost price of 15 spoons. This is given. You have to find the loss percent. This is the question. Selling price of 16 spoons equal to cost price of 15 spoons. Find the loss percent. In these type of questions, always assume cost price because then our calculations are reduced. Let CP of 15 spoons equal to rupees 15. If CP of 15 spoons is equal to 15 rupees, according to the question, SP of 16 spoons is equal to rupees 15. But whenever I find gain or loss percent, the commodity we are finding has to be same in number. Either it has to be 15 spoons or it has to be 16 spoons. But here, cost price is for 15 spoons and selling price is for 16 spoons. So, if cost price of 15 spoons is 15 rupees, that means cost price of 16 spoons is equal to rupees 16. Now we work with these two. I have cost price of 16 spoons, cost selling price of 16 spoons. I can see that cost price is greater than selling price, which implies loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is it equal to? 16 minus 15, which is equal to rupee 1. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied to 100. This is equal to 1 upon 16 multiplied to 100. Let us simplify it. 4 25 times, 4 4 times. So I get 25 upon 4, which is equal to 61 upon 4%. So the loss percent is 61 upon 4%. Coming to the next question. A cycle is sold at a gain of 15%. A cycle is sold at gain of 15%. Had it been sold for rupees 108 more, the profit would have been 20%. Had it been sold for, had it been sold for rupees 108 more, profit would have been 20%. Have been 20%. Find the CP. Find its CP. Let cost price be X. Cost price at profit of 15%. This is now let us find selling price at profit of 15%. This is equal to 100 plus profit percent or gain percent upon 100 multiplied to cost price. If we solve this, it will be 115 upon 100 x. According to the question, had this been sold at 108 more, the profit would have been 20%. Let us find what is selling price at 20% profit. Same formula, so need not write the formula again. 120 upon 100x. According to the question given is 115 x upon 100 plus 108 is equal to 120x upon 100. Let us solve this. We get this as 120x upon 100 minus 115x upon 100 is equal to 108. That means 5x upon 100 is equal to 108. Let us simplify this. It is 20 times. So x is equal to 108 multiplied to 20, which is equal to rupees 2160. So it is the cost price is 2160. Let us solve one more question, children. Pankaj sells 2 cycles for rupees 2376 each. And it is one he gains 10%, other he loses 10%. Find his gain or loss percent, overall gain or loss percent. Let us start with the statements itself. Pankaj sells 2 cycles. Pankaj sells, this is the question. Pankaj sells 2 cycles at rupees 2376 each. On one, he gains 10% and other he loses 10%. Calculate gain or loss percent. Now see children, selling price of each cycle is rupees 2376. On one he is gaining 10%. So when the gain is 10%, what is the cost price? Formula for cost price is 100 upon, when in case of gain, 100 plus gain percent multiplied to selling price. This will be 100 upon 110 into 2376. This gets cancelled directly. 11,216. So my answer is rupees 2160 is the cost price of the first circuit. Now, in case of loss, when loss is 10%, formula of cost price changes to 100 minus loss percent multiplied to selling price. This is equal to 100 upon 90 multiplied to 2376. This gets cancelled. 2s are 18, 54 and 3. This is equal to 2640. Now, we have got the two cost price, we have got the two selling price, we have to find the gain or the loss percent. So, total cost price, total CP is equal to addition of these two. 2160 plus 2640, which is equal to 4800. Selling price, total selling price is equal to 2376 multiplied by 2. Calculate. This is equal to, we can see that cost price is greater than selling price. That implies loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Calculated. 4800 minus 4752 is equal to rupees 48. You have to find loss or gain percent. So here it will be loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss, this is 48. 48 upon cost price multiplied to 100. Calculated. This is 1% is the loss. That's all for the class today, children. Thank you.